It's arrived, our July 2021 Gin of the Month box, and I can't wait to see what's inside. First up is our Gin of the Month, Chemist American Gin. This is our first American gin to be included in the box. This is a botanical forward gin, which means the botanicals really take center stage here. Distilled in Asheville, North Carolina, this gin is infused with local botanicals from the Appalachian Mountains, including rose, peppermint, lemon, and verbena. It's good. This gin will pair beautifully with these Mulberry Creek tonics. These have been launched in the UK exclusively for Craft Gin Club. As part of our perfect G&T, you also get a lime and blueberry garnish. We also have Mulberry Creek Bitter Lemon. Next up is our cocktail of the month. We have our Peach Gin Iced Tea Cocktail Syrup. I love iced tea, and especially peach iced tea. Can't wait. Summer always makes me think of lemonade. And here we have Luscombe Sicilian Lemonade. I drink this right now, but I'm gonna save it for my cocktail of the month. Another summery drink that sounds absolutely delicious. This is Bodega Bay Elderflower Lemon and Mint Hard Seltzer. Now for the snacks. We'll start with savory. These are the Curators Smoky Barbecue Almonds. Those smell good. Ooh, they are smoky and salty. And we can't have an American-themed box without pretzels. These are Penn State baked pretzels, sour cream and chive. Tangy. How cute are those? We have Copper Pot, maple syrup, and pecan fudge. Ooh, these smell so good. It's like a mix of pecan pie and pancakes. Last but not least, we have Manna Life peanut butter. We have original and deep roast. I like to eat this directly from the spoon. And of course, we have our Ginned magazine filled with interviews and cocktail recipes and so much more. I think the best way to read this is over a glass of peach gin iced tea. Cheers!